everyone, my name is Tatiana Alvarez Thomas. I am going to be doing my field internship at a addiction recovery center. It has both inpatient treatment and also an outpatient facility. I'll mainly be doing my internship in the inpatient like residential setting. I expect to learn a lot about specifically addiction and how I can use my role as a social worker in addiction studies and in that type of an environment. I am very excited because this is a facility that I have worked with through my job, and I believe full-heartedly in their mission, and it's somewhere that if I had to go to get addiction help, I would go there. So I'm really excited to be a part of their team and to be able to go there and learn from them. They really treat people like people there. I am most concerned about time and fitting everything in and getting things accomplished. Currently, I am also going to school to become a Pennsylvania State Parole agent. So it's called BTA. I'm in their school program, which is a 9-week program. And it got pushed back because of COVID, so I have to do both at the same time. So I started my internship on the same day that I started my school for the parole board, and I'm really concerned about being able to do well in both areas and manage everything. Now, luckily, that's done October 23rd, and I'll graduate, and then I can start my job as a parole officer and have more of a flexible schedule. But as of right now, I'm doing both, and it's very scary to try to manage everything. I also have a 2-year-old, so my life is really busy. I plan to be open to learning new things and experiencing things while I'm at retreat. So that's how I plan to manage my excitement. Just be willing to go wherever they put me, and whatever they suggest, I'll hop on as long as it's something that I'm comfortable doing and I feel like it's appropriate. I'm not gonna say no, so that I can get the full experience and definitely try to experience things that I might not be familiar with or ever tried before, as long as I have proper supervision, of course. As far as my concerns, I'm just gonna talk to my supervisors at the internship, make sure that they're well aware, make sure the people at my job are well aware, and honestly, I'm just gonna do my best, and that's all I can do. So I look forward to meeting all of you guys, I guess through discussion posts and maybe the video chats, and good luck with your year.